We're live in the digital arena, and today's matchup is you versus your passwords, with Google Chrome right in the middle of the action. Let's get you in control. First quarter, we're opening Chrome's built-in password manager. Top right corner, those three little dots, that's your playbook. Click them, hit Settings, then head into Autofill and Passwords, or just Passwords. That's your locker room where every saved login is hanging out. Second quarter, you're scanning the roster. A full list of sites, all your saved logins, right there. Need a specific one? Use the search bar up top. Want to actually see a password? Tap that little eye icon. Chrome may call a quick timeout and ask for your computer password to confirm it's really you. Third quarter, you're making adjustments. Find the login, hit the three dots beside it. Choose Edit to update your username or password, or Remove to wipe that credential completely off Chrome's board. Fourth quarter, strategy settings up top, offer to save passwords and auto sign in. Flip those switches to decide how aggressive you want Chrome's help to be. And if you're switching devices or browsers, export that whole list and keep sync turned on so your logins travel with you. You're not just surfing the web anymore, you're calling the plays on your security.